In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share files in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just want a quick refresher on sharing files, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to the Slack website. Once you arrive at the page, you'll need to sign in. You can do this using your email credentials, or, if it's more convenient, you can log in through Google or Apple. It's that simple. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to select your workspace. Your workspace is the central hub for all your team communications. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're selecting the one where you intend to share the file. Now, with your workspace loaded up, you'll want to click on the workspace name. This action will reveal a list of all available channels. Channels are like the different group chats within your workspace. Locate and click on the specific channel where you want to upload your file. With your channel open, take a look below the message field. You should see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. Here, a few different options will appear. Select Upload from your computer. From there, navigate to the file you want to share, select it, and click Open. Before hitting send, you have the opportunity to add any additional comments, captions, or notes along with your file. This can be especially useful if you need to provide context or instructions related to the file you're sharing. Once you've added any accompanying text, click Send to post your file to the channel. After your file has been successfully uploaded, you'll notice a share icon on the file. Click on this icon to move on to the next step. At this point, you'll be presented with a couple of options on how to distribute your file further. You can directly add the people who should have access to the file by typing their names, or alternatively, you can copy a shareable link. Sending this link via email or through another messaging platform can be incredibly helpful if you want to share files with someone outside your immediate Slack workspace. Once you've chosen your method of sharing, simply click Forward to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and shared a file in Slack. It's a straightforward task, but can significantly enhance your team's collaboration. Utilizing Slack effectively can streamline communication and keep everyone on the same page, making it a powerful tool in your professional toolkit. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Slack. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.